Our today's crime story is about an Indian serial killer who remained mysterious for a long period of time. He was killing the innocent people and left a beer can on the crime scene. He was commonly known as the Beer Man serial killer. He targeted about 15 people, out of which 7 murders had been registered, and the lifeless bodies had been found in different areas of the Mumbai city. He kept the crowded city in panic in 2006 and 2007. The Beer Man serial killer was identified as middle-aged man, Kantrole. Kantrole was born in a family of washermen. They were living in an illegal tenement in Derby Talau. His father was a gambler. Later his gambler father moved into his mother's house in Mahalakshmi, and Kantrole, in with his father's relatives in Pune. Kantrole did not stay much time in Pune. Within a period of few months, he was back in Mumbai. He preferred to live on the streets of Mumbai, rather in someone else's house. He told that he wanted to live with freedom, not as a slave. In his teens, he joined the Dashrat train gang, where his job was to extort money from hawkers and illegal establishments that were selling country liquor. From his teenage, he was arrested many times by the Azad Maidan police. When he wasn't spending nights in the Azad Maidan lockup, he would be in brothels having sex. He married with girl from brothel and they have a baby girl. Jail stints of varied lengths, however, were still part of his life. When he returned from prison last time, he had given up the crime world. He embraced Islam in jail when he met a devout Muslim in prison. Kantrole changed his name, and he was now Abdul Rahim. He started his new life by running a roadside food stall in South Mumbai. Due to his efforts, he was also working as a police informer. He was now considered as clean, till his arrest on suspicion of being the Beer Man. His life has changed dramatically since he was labelled the serial killer Beer Man. He said, "Wherever I visited the people taunt. People will not consider that I had been found innocent." When 3 minor girls were raped and killed in Cuff Parade, and the city was rife with talk of another serial killer on the loose, Kantrole was called in by the police for interrogation and a DNA profiling test. He had confessed that he had committed the serial killings, in a narco-analysis test. Accused of being Mumbai's serial killer and dubbed Beer Man, Ravindra Kantrole has been convicted on murder charges. Kantrole has been found guilty of murdering a man on the foot-over bridge near Marine Lines in Mumbai in 2007. The victim was stabbed about 20 times on his chest, abdomen, arms and thighs. Kantrole has been sentenced to life imprisonment. The killing was the last of 7 serial murders between 2006 and 2007. He had been charged with the murder of 3 of the 7 men found dead in South Mumbai under mysterious circumstances. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more crime investigation reports and serial killers documentaries in Hindi, English, and Urdu. Thank you for watching this video.